My name is Desdrianne, and I chose the dental program because I actually had a career as a PSW, but it was too physically demanding and I had to change my career. I was looking up the dental programs and I found Anderson College online. So they invited me in for a tour, and then I had the tour, I met the instructor, and then I decided that I would be here in it maybe a week for me to be in the program and coming to class. I love the teachers and the instructors. I think they're all very nice. They're all willing to help you learn. If you have any questions or if you're struggling, you can just go to them and they'll help you any which way they can. Right now we're in radiography, which is fun. We can take radiographs. Then there's the clinical part where we do sterilization, procedures, and the instruments. And then there's another program where we do impressions. So we do whitening trays and mouth guards. I find all the staff very helpful. There's always somebody by, and they're all very friendly. Everybody says hello in the hallways. Everybody knows you by name, so it's nice. So I was out of school for 15 years, and I was really nervous to come back, and I'm almost 40, so I was also worried about my age. And honestly, I am doing very well, and I surprise myself, and I really enjoy being here at Anderson.